Lanjut.
Hey guys, welcome po sa ating vlog. Yung vlog na naman tayo. Kaya, Shades. Yun guys. Punta po tayo sa Samori, sa Bores Del Mar.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time?
So yun guys, punta na po tayo sa pupuntahan natin. Kaya guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys. Sana mahalin niyo ako. Katulad nagpamamahal.
Sana!
Guys, ang ganda! Para kang nasa Lunita Art. Welcome to my guys! Sa gitna ng kalawakan, oh magandang naglag. Wala pala. So yun guys, meron po dito sa Bores Del Mar Mexican bar. Meron lang seafood, nachos, ug tacos, quesadillas. Kaya yun guys, tapos na po. Yun kaya ang sarap po dito guys. Sakit sa bibig. Dito po, dito lang po sa Zamboanga del Norte, Dapitan City. So yun guys, kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. So yun guys, next muna tayo and swipe.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
So yun guys, ang ganda po talaga dito. Yep. Nice beautiful guys, nice looking. Oh my god, ang ganda. Wala ka ni Mami Bro. Wala, direct dito to.
Wala na! Alam na kayo!
Hi guys! Hi guys! Shout out Lod! Shout out Lod! Shout out at Prakatag TV! Shout out dahil ani among shout out Prakatag TV! Hindi, ma-discover ta na. Loko! Dili ba dito gigoy? Puro kang tawag dito mo. Tawag ano?
I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Hello, may butag sa tanan. Dami ka, may butag sa tanan.
on me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie.
So yun guys, nandito po tayo sa CR nila. Ay, smells good. Okay lang CR dali. Okay lang CR, sarap kayo. Guys, tapos nito.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring.
So yun guys, malagom yung gani atong kalaki.
Agay, tao.
Langoy di ba? Langoy.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Welcome to Bilya Angelina. Bilya Angelina. Mau tiri ako picture.
Ay, kili akong picture.
Hi vlog.
What's up? Hi. Hi vlog. Hi. Hi vlog. Dami na dali. Dati dami na lang tayo. Magpainit ko ba? Ayan na ka pala.
Ang lakas ng aking tama.
Lama sa kanina, nabibo ko dyan.
Hay nak, salamat ay. Klaro. So yun guys, beach time po tayo ngayon. Malapit po ang Shopee 11/11.
Yun, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Sa ikon sa YouTube channel. Ngalan. Name.
Babalik lang ako.
So yun guys, ang ganda po dito.
Napakaganda.
Napakaganda. Tulad ng tulad. Na yun ang lupad bro. Oh. Wow. Kita niyo yun?
1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2.
Diba kita-kita? Kaya yun guys. Asa ni Manila? Ha? Asa ni nga po?
Villa Angelina.
So yun guys,
Dapitan City.
Villa Angelina. So yun guys,
Ito po yung luxury hotel ng Dakak.
luxury hotel. So yun guys, ito po ang Villa Angelina ng Dakak, Dapitan City. Dapitan City. Kaya yun guys, ang ganda po dito guys.
Uy, na yun!
Ma-view mo talaga ang lahat ng mga mountain.
yung beautiful.
Enjoy na enjoy. Tulan muna. Sana guys, supportahan nyo ako sa video na to. Kasi meron na po tayong GoPro. Mag-GoPro po tayo para mas malinaw pong paningin nyo sa video ko. Kaya ayun guys. Ang lakas ng aking tama. Naku po pag siya ay naglalakad. So yun guys, sa susunod po natin pupuntahan, napupunta po tayo sa Tagilod. Tagilod? So yun guys, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. La 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 la. Dapat happy.
Pasamina daw tagindot na yan.
Ang lakas ng aking tama. Naku po. Hi guys, buhay tapang pala. Buhay tapang. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Anong kakainin mo? Kainin ko lang. Pati bilat. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Ikaw mo.
Yung! Nasa ko silpon!
Nabay dive nga lang langoy ra.
So yun guys, kita pa ko wala. Anong kainin mo? Pati bilat. So yun guys, kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel guys para po tayo marami po tayong video
Ngit, direk, ngit.
So yun guys, ngit-ngit kayo against the earth.
Against the earth. Kana.
Yun guys, bitapa ka pala. Nagigil ako sa inyo. Anong kainin mo? Yun ko may lubot. So yun guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa ano to?
Villa Angelina.
Villa Angelina. Angelina. Oh, so yun guys, abuy tapang mo pala. Nagigil ako sa inyo. Anong kainin mo?
A few inches later.
Jung.
Slide!
You don't even know me like that.
Blue Magic Slide.
Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
A few moments later.
Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Ooh, smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
few inches later.
So yun guys, tapos na po ang aming pag swimming. So yun guys, kapoy kayo. So agad po ngayon. So yun guys, andyan po sila. Oo. Maigo, maigo.
May go, ulat bitaw ni ko.
So yun guys, uwian na po.
O dyan. Jun, tanawa Jun.
No? No white sun.
White sun.
Ano daw? Oh, no white sun. Yung likod. Nakuha na siya. Black pink. So yun guys, tapos po tayo. I-update ko lang po kayo sa sunod. Kasi kakain po pa po kami sa ibang planeta. Ibang kainan po. So yun guys, baka hindi na po ako makapag-vlog doon. Kaya so yun guys, dito ko na lang po tatapusin video na ito. Kaya don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channels. And thank you. Labhunon. Thank you guys. See you next video ko po. Free shout out po tayo. Sunod kong video, sana mag-comment kayo and thank you.